We know it's hot in Central Texas, and we know it's coming every year, but this year's been a little bit worse for us.
On top of dealing with an increase in calls and working in triple-digit heat almost daily, Austin firefighters are battling an additional struggle.
It's a lot.
One that's inside some of their fire trucks.
We still do have some trucks that do not have functioning air conditioning, and it's a lot when our firefighters are going out fighting fires, fighting grass fires, fighting building fires, being out on the highway with traffic incidents all day long, and then with our units not having air conditioning that they're spending a lot of time in, that just adds to the overall heat problem that we have.
Out of 100 Austin Fire Department frontline and reserve trucks, around 17 do not have functioning air conditioning.
As they are working on these incidents for hours at a time, they're sweating, they're overheating, and we have some measures in place to keep our firefighters rested and rotated and hydrated, but we're pushing those limits as we continue to work in this heat.
It's an issue city officials say they're working on. In a memo, Jennifer Walls, director of Fleet Mobility Services, says they are prioritizing fixing those trucks in a way that does not disturb operational needs for AFD. This memo comes after a letter Councilmember Mackenzie Kelly wrote to interim city manager Jesus Garza after learning about the situation herself.
I thought to myself, what? Doesn't have AC?
She says after digging into the issue, she discovered the fleet department is short-staffed. A council work session revealed there is one technician for every 70 city vehicles. Usually they shoot for a 1-to-50 ratio.
I'm not trying to place fault anywhere. I want to find out what resources the different departments need in order to make this happen. We're in the middle of the summer. We have had unprecedented triple-digit heat, and I want to make sure that our workers who we ask to go out on the hottest days of the year are in an environment where they're not going to be in some kind of a medical emergency because they don't have the respite they need.
City officials say fixing the trucks is an ongoing process. Fleet Services plans to work with AFD to avoid another issue like this in the future, including inspecting trucks before summer hits and establishing protocols on how to promptly report AC issues.
We're very appreciative of that, and it's something that we've known for a while, and we've made it known to them, and we are very appreciative that they are working with us.